recording.
Oh, it is? Today on Homestead and Hustle, we're going to talk about ducks on the homestead.
Our ducks definitely let us know when they're hungry. Y'all hungry? Our ducks will eat rabbit food, but they actually prefer dog food. We ran out of food one time for them, and we ended up giving them dog food. And ever since then, they just prefer the dog food. So that's what they get usually, and that's what they eat. It's mainly dog food. And it's cheap, and so it's not too bad. But when I'm out of dog food, then I give them rabbit food. Come here, Fergie. I think the ducks want to eat, and you're near their food. Come on, Fergie. Come here. Come here. Ducks are afraid of you. These are some noisy ducks today. Like I said, these are Rouen Ducks, and I'll put the spelling of these ducks in the description below. They were developed in France, and they were really developed for more like a lawn ornament. Like I said, they were made so they can't fly away. They can only fly about 4 or 5 feet high at the most. And so they're pretty good if you want a lawn ornament. If you have a pond and you just want a few ducks, just to have in your backyard, just to have some, like I said, live lawn ornaments. They're great for that. But I will tell you, they will mess up a pond. Ducks will mess up your pond, so I wouldn't really recommend, if you want to keep your pond crystal clear, ducks are not the way to go, because they will mess up your pond. You will have to clean it out constantly. So, I mean, they're fun to watch, but they are messy animals. Cleaning out the duck pond. Ducks get ponds really, really nasty. So you do have to clean them out about every 4 to 6 months, I'd say, at least. And this is some of the gunk. We'll call it gunk for video's sake. That came out of the bottom of, it's just some of it. But this does make great fertilizer. I'm going to use it for fertilizer for our plants. I'll mix it with a little water. We originally got the Rouen duck for meat, but they take a very long time to grow out, and the meat is okay, and really the only part that's the good part to eat is the breast, that we found anyway. Some people might like the rest of it. We just didn't care for the rest of it, just the breast part, so it's not very economical, really. So, but I love the Rouen ducks. I just think they're very pretty. But like I said, they make, good lawn ornaments. If you just want a duck for the backyard that you don't want to fly away. But that's why we're kind of experimenting with some other ducks, like the Muscovy. And I think we're also going to try the Peking duck. Our newest addition to the homestead are these little Muscovy ducks. Now we feed our ducks non-medicated starter, just for safety reasons. There's a lot of controversy on whether it's good for them or not, and we've just decided to use the non-medicated so we don't take any chances. because they're not, evidently ducks sometimes can't handle the medicated. And I have once given some of our baby chicks some of the medicated starter, the baby ducks, some of the Rouen Ducks once, and they did fine on it, but I just don't want to take any chances, so I just give them the non-medicated. It's so hot here, even at night, that I didn't even put the lamp on them. So they've done just fine. I just gave them lots of hay, and they did have a little crate in there they could crawl under in the beginning when they were a little bit smaller. And so they've been doing just fine, living here with the rabbits. I'm actually going to move them into a bigger cage because they're going to outgrow this soon, and we're actually going to build them their own space with a top on it so they can't fly away. Now that we got the pond cleaned out, let's throw the GoPro in the pond and watch the ducks dive for minnows.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back